Today I'm going to show you how to edit member sign-up settings on your Wix website. This is really useful if you want to customize how new members join your site, what login options they see, and which policy pages appear during registration. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to access your site settings. Now, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is the website you wish to edit the member sign-up page for. This is especially important if you manage multiple sites under one account, as you want to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the customization happens. Start by locating the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation menu. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear, showing you all the pages and sections of your website. From the Expanded Pages menu, locate the Members Area section. Next to it, you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon and a small window will appear with several options. From this small window, select Member Sign-up Settings. This is where you'll be able to control exactly how the sign-up process works for new members. You'll now be presented with 3 sections for the member sign-up settings. Let's start with the first one, which is General. Here you can select which option shows first to your visitors. Choose from the radio button options of new member sign-up or existing member login. This determines whether people see the registration form or the login form first when they visit your members area. Now move on to the next tab, Social and Community. From here, you can enable or disable social logins by toggling the button beside them. This feature lets members sign up or log in using their existing social media accounts, which can make the process much faster and more convenient for them. Then on the last tab, which is Policies, you'll have control over your legal pages. Choose between enabling or disabling the Terms of Use page, Privacy page, and Code of Conduct page. These are important for transparency and legal compliance, so consider which ones are relevant for your site. Once all the customization and setup is configured to your liking, click on Done to save your changes. Your member sign-up settings are now updated and will take effect immediately on your live site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.